Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Game Shears is probably one of the most essential tools for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. From field dressing game to preparing meals in the wild, these specialized cutting tools are designed to handle a variety of tasks. In this video, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and what to look for when selecting the perfect Game Shears to enhance your outdoor experience and make your adventures more efficient. Number 5. Camillus 9-inch Multipurpose Game Shears, 19403. This is the Camillus 9-inch Multipurpose Game Shears. It's a versatile tool designed for various tasks. It includes multiple features, making it perfect for outdoor activities and kitchen use. These shears are more than just scissors. They include a bone notch, bottle opener, saw, nutcracker, and screwdriver. This makes it a great tool for dressing game birds or other tasks. Safety is a priority. The shears come with a custom molded sheath to protect the blades. The sheath also includes a belt clip for easy carrying. The blades are made of titanium bonded 420 stainless steel. This makes them 3 times harder than untreated stainless steel. The blades are corrosion resistant and stay sharper longer. The shears measure 9 inches in overall length, with a 4-inch blade. It's a compact yet powerful tool. Camillus has been manufacturing quality knives since 1876. They continue to provide reliable and innovative tools. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like. This tool is a true multitasker, featuring a bone notch, bottle opener, and more. The titanium bonded blades offer superior durability and corrosion resistance. If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle various tasks, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who need a reliable tool for both outdoor and kitchen use. What people say. The construction is excellent, the blades are sharp and the Kydex sheath secures the shears perfectly. Sharp, well-built, many features. Works great cleaning doves. They seem to work really well, nice and sharp, and the quick breakdown capability is really nice for cleaning. I like the multifunctionality too. Number 4. Rapala Fish and Game Shears. These shears are designed for fish and game. They are a must-have tool for any angler or hunter. This tool is made by Rapala. It's built to last and handle tough tasks. The shears are perfect for cleaning and preparing your catch. It makes the process easier and more efficient. With these shears, you'll be able to quickly and easily process your game. They are a great addition to your gear. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's a reliable tool for any outdoor enthusiast. This is a great tool for anyone who enjoys fishing or hunting. It's durable and easy to use. What we like. These shears are designed for fish and game. They are made by Rapala. If you are looking for a good pair of shears, consider these. What people say. These are full-size scissors for sure. They feel super sharp and seem sturdy. These are great. I have used the scissors to cut frozen bait shrimp and bait pinfish. Much better than a knife and safer. These scissors do everything. They cut well both as scissors and a knife, scale fish, peel vegetables, open bottles, crack nuts or bones and lop branches. And, they are super tough and come apart for special uses or easy cleaning. Number 3. Camillus Game Shears CM19403. This is a precision cutting tool designed for various tasks. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for clean and accurate cuts every time. The shear is made to withstand tough conditions. Its robust build ensures it can handle demanding use. It's a reliable tool that you can count on. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic handle. This design allows for a secure grip and reduces hand fatigue. It makes your work easier and more comfortable. This tool is suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're in the field or at home, it's a versatile tool. It's designed to meet your diverse needs. Maintaining this shear is simple and straightforward. Regular cleaning and occasional sharpening will keep it in top condition. It's a low-maintenance tool that provides consistent results. What we like. These are Camillus brand Game Shears. If you are looking for a pair of Game Shears, you should consider these. What people say. Works great for cutting off ducks and pheasant wings heads and feet for cleaning wild game. Great for cleaning small game. They can do everything from cutting through chicken bones to using for cutting crafts and herbs. Number 2. Outdoor Edge Game Shears, Field Dressing Tool. Introducing the Outdoor Edge Game Shears. This tool is designed to make field dressing easier. It's perfect for birds, small game, and fish. These heavy-duty shears make quick work of your game. The sharp blades are designed for efficient field dressing. It's a must-have tool for any hunter. The shears feature full tang blades. They have a serrated cutting edge and a bone-breaking notch. This design ensures durability and ease of use. The blades are made from 420J2 stainless steel. The overall length is 10 inches, with a 3.5-inch blade. This ensures long-lasting performance. The handles are made with non-slip rubberized TPR. This provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions. It ensures safety and control while you work. Outdoor Edge stands behind its products. If you have any issues, they offer a service for life. Contact them for any replacement or service requests. What we like. The spring-loaded design makes it easy to use, and the serrated edge and bone-breaking notch offer added functionality. The non-slip rubberized TPR handles ensure a secure grip. If you frequently work with birds, small game, or fish, this tool will make your tasks much easier. What people say. I like the sharpness of the product and the durability. The design ensures ease of use. I used the product for the dressing of upland game. They work great to cut lobster tails for butterflying. Best game shears on the market. Number 1. Old Timer Trail Boss Knives, Fixed and Folding. This knife is designed for any outdoor adventure. It features high-carbon D2 stainless steel blades, perfect for hunting, skinning, and survival. The stainless steel blades have a bone-breaking notch and a serrated edge. It's ideal for cleaning game or handling tasks in the field. The safety lock ensures safe storage. The spring-assisted opening provides relief during long tasks. The custom-molded polymer sheath keeps it secure. It also includes a built-in bottle opener, making it a great multi-tool. The TPE rubber handle ensures a secure hold. The finger guard helps prevent accidental injuries. This product is backed by Old Timer's lifetime warranty. Contact customer service with any questions. What we like. The stainless steel blades feature a bone-breaking notch and serrated edge for cleaning. The spring-assisted opening provides hand relief. If you need a reliable tool with a secure grip for field dressing or difficult cutting tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. They did the job almost too well. They're not kitchen shears. Get these if you're looking for something heavy-duty with a bone notch for getting the bones out of your birds. The blades cut quickly and easily through the meat, gristle, and small bones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.